Hello, it's your boy Liddy here, and today I'm showing you how to grow bananas again. This is what it looks like after 3 weeks time, and this one is still growing. As you can see, do not fret when you see bananas, start to lose their leaves, like that's normal, and then a new one grows. But make sure when you look right in the center there, if you can see it, is a new crown. This is not a dying banana tree. This is a banana tree simply growing the way it's supposed to grow, and this is with no nutrients, because if you give it nutrients at this stage, you will kill it. Anything you can do is just give it water. And what we have with this banana tree right here, let me just pull up around it, because it's just like, wow, all this, yeah, look at it. It's pretty good. And this is after 3 weeks, and this is a baby banana tree. And the best thing about this, when it grows and it gets at least about this high, you would notice we have more banana trees sprouting right up after it. So this would probably take about at least 7 months for it to gain at least a real tall height, like 7 months. So I'm just keeping it in the ground, showing you the exact growth rate of bananas. It'll just go up to here like about 7 months, because they take a long time to grow. So yeah. And also make sure it has plenty sunlight. And when you plant your bananas, make sure you plant them a good decent space apart, so they can get equal sunlight. That's also very important. So yeah, that's a very important thing about growing bananas, is that you need to plant them a certain way apart. Also, my garden's pretty much just never been done for a while. Like I haven't really been doing it. I left it like this since those watermelon vines growing, but I have to plow them up again. But check out the popcorn trees. The popcorn trees are growing nice. And that avocado pear tree seen better days. Grapevine, like I said, seen better days. But my lemon tree is growing so big now. I mean, for everybody who's been keeping up with me on Instagram, they know how small this started. This only took 2 years to get to this height. 2 years. 2 years to get to this height. And I mean, really. It's a really big lemon tree, but it ain't got lemons on it yet. 2 years. Probably 3 more years, I probably might get lemons. Who knows? Also, sugarcane, seems like it's growing. Seems like that one with the multicolor one, it's growing, but the one that's dead, I don't think that's growing.